Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today we're going to be talking about using the TaxCaster. A lot of you guys are searching for this out there. You're wanting to know how to use this online tool, the TaxCaster. So we're going to walk through it. I'm going to show you how to use this tool and how it can help you guys out. So let's get the video started here. So the TaxCaster tool, what it does is it allows you to calculate what your taxes and what your potential refund amount will be, or if you owe taxes. This online calculator will take into account any big life changes you've had within the year that will have an effect on your taxes and your refund amount. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to the TaxCaster through our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com. So you're going to want to go to HarborFinancialOnline.com, and we're going to show you how to get to this. So again, HarborFinancialOnline.com. You'll see these links here. What we're going to do, let's click on the first one. It's going to take us there. Down here, see now we're on TurboTax. We're going to see this will take you right to the TaxCaster, so that's why I recommend going through HarborFinancialOnline.com. We'll go to the TaxCaster. Now we're going to play around with this tool, and it's got to load up here, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this and how it's going to benefit you. So we're just going to make up a scenario, and then we'll see how it shows us what the deductions are, everything about our taxes, all the important areas. So let's say single, we'll go single, head of household, age, let's make up an age, let's say 50. Click here, your income. All you have to do is click on these boxes and put in what you make. If you don't know to the dollar, just put an estimate of what you think you're going to earn during the year. So let's say 43,000. Your withholdings, this is what the federal tax withholdings in your paycheck. So to figure this out, what you can do is go to your pay stub, see how much they're deducting out of there. If it's bi-weekly, say they're deducting $200 bi-weekly in federal tax. Take that multiply that by 13 weeks. So that'll give you what your total federal withholding estimate will be. So let's just say 2,600. Withholding, do the same calculation. If they're withholding $50 every 2 weeks, multiply that 50 times 13, because it'll be 13 pay periods if you're getting bi-weekly throughout the year. So what did we say? We're going to do 50. Let's just give a number here. I mean, you can calculate your own. We'll say 400. And the unemployment income, let's leave that as 0. Okay. Other income, this is like from interest from a bank account, dividends, investments. So let's say you got $100 in interest. This is for stock, short-term, long-term, any gains or losses. Let's say we had a loss short-term. A lot of you had losses out there. It's like it's not letting me put the negative in there. So we'll just put the 0 in for now. I don't know why it's not letting me put the negative. Let's put you at a long-term gain. Any pension distributions. This would be if you cashed out of your 401k. We'll leave that as 0. Business income. So you had we'll leave that 0 too. Now, if you owned like a Schedule C business, you would put it in there. Information about your family. If you have dependents, 16 or younger. So let's say you have 1, and you can, if you notice, the numbers over here are constantly changing as I input the information. So this calculator is constantly working, which is great. You can see it shows you exactly what your credits, withholding, all of that. It's really nice. Education, if you had tuitions, fees. I'm not going to fill out all these boxes. We'll be here all day. mortgage interest payments, real estate payments, donation. So it's going to cover all those main areas that when you prepare your taxes that they're going to ask. And if you prepare your taxes online, you're going to eliminate the chances of any errors and increase your chances of getting all the deductions and credits that are available to you guys out there. Now here's other deductions: medical expenses, alimony paid, employee business expenses. So this is really a great tool. I'm going to show you again how to get here. So go to Harbor, either copy this or write it down, harborfinancialonline.com. We have a direct link. Go down here, TaxCaster. You can either click launch, list, you can click on 3 things. It takes a second to load. Depending on your internet connection, it's going to take longer to load. This is a pretty quick internet connection here, so it loads up fast. So that's how it works. I recommend you checking out our site, harborfinancialonline.com. As you can see, we have tons of posts on tax credits, everything you guys need to know, all the calculators that are out there. All this is free through the site here, so a great tool for you guys to take advantage of. So that's it on the TaxCaster. I appreciate you watching the video. Go to YouTube. We have hundreds of videos out there. And thank you, and we'll talk to you later.